How to fix Windows wireless mouse not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix if your wireless mouse is not working on Windows. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do is simply open up your device settings first, and for that you can just right click on your Windows icon and open settings from here. Now you're going to head over to Bluetooth and devices and check for your devices. So here, click on it and it will show you all of the options of your device. Now what you're going to do is, if you have a wireless mouse connected, you are just going to go ahead and remove the device and plug out the USB connector and then plug it back in. After doing that, your problem should be probably fixed, but if it's still not working, then you're going to right click on your Windows icon to open Device Manager. Once your Device Manager is open, head over to mice and other pointing device, and then right click on this and update the driver. Search automatically for drivers, and if it says the best driver is already installed, then you're good to go. So just close this out. Now, the last thing you could try to do is run a troubleshooter. So just open up your settings. From here, you could just head over to your system and then scroll down until you find troubleshoot. Now click on other troubleshooter, and if you find your mouse over here, just run your troubleshooter and it will fix the problem automatically. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.